So I just completed this 6 steps workshop in San Francisco, and I've asked some of the participants to share what they've appreciated about the workshop, and I think it will give you an idea of what to expect.
I appreciate how Benji has helped me step out of the way of my clients and let them make towards moves in their own lives.
I'm really appreciating Benji's workshop on the Matrix for a couple of reasons. I think one of the things that I really am touched by is his openness and his ability to be vulnerable, making the space safe for other people to do the same. So,
one of the nice things about this workshop is just how the Matrix seems to tie things together very cohesively. So a lot of different techniques are on display here, but they all are sort of laced through the Matrix and make sense in terms of what the Matrix is.
What I really appreciated about this workshop is how easy I can use it in my own work. I actually saw a client the first evening after the workshop and immediately did the Matrix with her, and it was a lot of fun and really helped her move. So yeah, just the workability of it is awesome.
I love the energy of the workshop, and I learned a whole lot about the Matrix and how to apply it to my practice.
I really appreciated coming to this workshop over the last 2 days, and I felt like I learned a lot of tools that I can really apply in my practice. And I just really appreciated Benji's enthusiasm and energy, and like the really clear way that he was really able to explain these concepts to somebody who's new to ACT.
What I really like about the workshop and about ACT in general is how incredibly pragmatic it is. It's immediately useful. And the workshop with Benji was fantastic. He is warm and compassionate, real. It's been great.
What's great about these workshops is that the Matrix and the way Benji teaches it makes ACT so much clearer. It gives you a starting point, it gives you a guidepost, and I find it much more easy to follow.
As a therapist, I'm always trying to find ways to help my clients that are really effective and supportive, but without working so hard that I burn out. And I'm finding that the Matrix offers great structure and guidelines to do that. And I'm just finding the workshop very helpful.
So the Matrix workshop is really great. And one of the things that I particularly enjoyed about it was being able to learn the model from so many different perspectives, being able to watch Benji do it, being able to feel it from the inside, talk about it theoretically, watch other people do it, have demos of it. Incredibly rich.
I had an excellent time. I really appreciated learning, kind of honing my skills, my ACT skills, but also reconceptualizing it in a new framework of the Matrix, one that's really simple and easy and will be hopefully simple to integrate in my practice. And it was a pleasure working with Benji, who was authentic and curious and loving throughout.